Hello, beautiful souls. I heard this saying recently that if a tree wants to reach the heavens, its roots needs to reach hell. And I thought that was a great analogy for something I like to express with my clients, that as we grow our capacity for love and compassion, so does our understanding for disparity and the depths of depression. But it's not something to fear, because even though we can go from the heavens down to the hells, it allows us to feel the in-betweens and really truly appreciate what we have when it's there. And not only that, we get to share with other people our experiences and allow them to see that there's a tunnel to reach better feelings. So don't be afraid if you're in the depths, because the deeper you go also means the higher you can reach and the people that you can also help. I hope this helps you out today. And if this is something that you'd love to explore, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to help you out. And as always, never forget to smile.